Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 不 step by step. I will first write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write 不 部 means part or department. For example, 部门 department. Here's a sentence. I work in the IT department. I work in the IT department. IT department 信息部。我在信息部工作。I work in the IT department. 在信息部工作。部门 department. I work in the IT department. 我在信息部工作。My casual handwriting on 部。部。部 part department 部门 department. I work in the IT department. 我在信息部工作。Please comment any sentence with 部. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.